This is the clamshell. In the clamshell, you want your shoulders and your hips stacked and your feet stacked while you lift your top leg so you're feeling the outside of your hip. I like using my hand on the top hip to kind of make sure that my hip is pointed straight forward. You want to avoid letting those hips open up and rolling your hips to the outside like I'm showing you right now. So throw that hand on your hip. It'll keep you locked into place. From the top here, you can kind of see how I stack my knees. And you want to avoid letting that hip slip backwards where your knees are not stacked. So push that knee forward and lift towards the ceiling with the top knee. And last thing is you can always add a band for extra resistance. This is gonna get your glute meads, the outsides of your hips, just lit up. Great exercise. Smash the like button, subscribe for more stuff, and feel free to comment what you want to see below in the comment section. We'll see you soon.